TranscriptPad uses on-device speech recognition to seamlessly sync legal video and transcripts. In this video, you'll see how to troubleshoot speech recognition errors in a couple quick steps. When you sync your first video, be sure to allow TranscriptPad to access speech recognition. If you have not allowed speech recognition, you may receive a synchronization error message. Tap OK and navigate to Settings on your iPad. Choose Privacy and Security. Then tap Speech Recognition. Select On next to TranscriptPad. If it is already on, briefly turn off the setting, then turn it back on. There are a few other settings to confirm that speech recognition is working properly. One setting is enabling Siri. In Settings, choose Apple Intelligence and Siri. Select Talk to Siri. Check that either of the options allowing Siri or Hey Siri is selected. Briefly select Off, then reselect Hey Siri. Changing the dictation settings can also affect speech recognition. Navigate back to General in Settings. Select Keyboard. Ensure Enable Dictation is on. If it is already on, briefly turn off the setting, then turn it back on. The speech recognition feature can take some time to activate, therefore you should allow at least 15 minutes before reattempting a sync. Your videos should now be able to sync with the transcript.